We're gonna look at the scalp and see that there's a lot of buildup in skin. I personally like to use 2 paddle brushes. So this is gonna help lift and take any of the extra skin off, circulate the blood. It feels really good. The high frequency comb is one of my favorite tools. It's killing bacteria and balancing the scalp and also bringing blood to the follicles. So see how it lights up? That's where there's more bacteria. All right, and then we're gonna get to the messy part. I like to use the exfoliating therapy scalp on dry scalp. So I put it right on the roots, and this has tea tree in it, so it's gonna help kill more bacteria. I like to do this because I get more of an exfoliating effect with it, and I get a little bit more of a deep clean, and the skin's absorbing it because it's not full of water right now. This is the rejuvenating hair mist. So I'm using this because this helps unblock the follicles, and it's gonna help give it a little bit of a dampness. So instead of wetting the hair before, I'm using the rejuvenating mist because you get more of a benefit with it. And then the last one is the intensive hair mask. So all this together, we're treating the scalp and we're treating the actual hair. And this is the best part because this is nothing but massage. So for him, we're gonna use the everyday hair wash because that's gonna help open it up and kind of neutralize the oil glands to produce the right amount of oil. You can feel that and see the difference after one-time use. And you see that now it's nice and clear, it's no longer rough.